Jackson family responds to Leaving Neverland by releasing 30-minute documentary of their own. A month after HBO aired the bombshell two-part documentary Leaving Neverland, Michael Jackson's family have struck back with a documentary of their own. The new 30-minute film features interviews with Michael's nephew Taj Jackson and niece Brandy Jackson, as well as with his longtime technical director Brad Sundberg, who regularly stayed at Michael's Neverland Ranch estate. Not in a million years did I ever see a child around Michael Jackson that looked like they had been distressed, hurt, abused, Sundberg says in an interview with producer Liam McEwen included in the film. Neverland was such. Brandy revealed that she and Robson dated for 7 years. He has always been. Taj Jackson, who has vocally defended his uncle in the past and previously set up a GoFundMe to raise money for a documentary to rebut the HBO film, claims that Jackson's inherent generosity made him a target for repeated lawsuits over the years. When you have a certain. Before Leaving Neverland aired in early March, Jackson's estate filed a $100 million lawsuit against HBO. According to Court Gallery Leaving Neverland, What to Know About Michael Jackson defender Brett Barnes Pops Yuga. Jackson's estate also issued a statement to People in January ahead of the Sundance Film Festival premiere and blasted the documentary directed and produced by Dan Reed as a pathetic attempt to make money off of the singer. This is yet another lurid production in an outrageous and pathetic attempt to exploit and cash in on Michael Jackson, the statement read. Wade Robson and James Safechuck have both testified under oath that Michael never did anything inappropriate toward them. Safechuck and Rob video inside Michael Jackson's 2005 molestation trial and why he was found not guilty. This so-called documentary is just another rehash of dated and discredited allegations, the statement continued. It's baffling why. The documentary's director, however, rebuked these claims in a statement to People. Anyone who sees the
Raindrop, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that.